Everyone, in this session we are going to demonstrate about the output statement in Java. Output statement. So what is an output statement? So output statement, it is a programming statement and that is used to send information or text or data to the end user. Okay, so let us see. So this statement is used to write the info or message or text to the console. Console means output screen, so that the user can see it or receive it. So that's why we use the output statement in Java here. So for our understanding purpose, I'll discuss one small thing here. Suppose you are writing a program, okay? So you can write a program in different languages, different programming languages. For example, you are writing a program using C or C++ or Java or Python. So different programming languages are there, or C++. So you can write a program using any of those languages. But I will ask a question here. So whenever you're writing a program in any programming language, what will be the most important thing for you, or what is the most important for you? Just think about it. What will be the most important thing for you when you are writing a program? And or you are most concerned about something. What is that? So think about it. And meanwhile, I'll try to discuss this. So now here, for this program, you'll be passing some input. So this input will be going into this program, and then this program has to process that input. So this program will process that input, and then it will produce some output. It will produce some output. So the output should be sent to the user. User has to see that output, right? Yes. So the input the user is sending, like, for example, let us think like 10 plus 12 he was sending. And this will be processed by this program. And here 10 plus 12 equal to 22. Now this 22 will be sending, this 22 it will be sending to the end console, so that the user can see. So suppose it will be printing on the console 22 simply. So yeah, that is output. But this is not a proper way of presenting the message. You can send this output as with a proper message. For example, like you can send a message like this: sum of 10, 12 is 22. So this will be having more meaning, right? Yes. So this will add more meaning. So you want to send the output, but with a proper message. So for that purpose, you can use the output statement. So how can you write the output statement? So here you can write output statement like this: system.out.print. Print sum of 10, 12 is sum. You can write like this. So here sum, why I'm writing sum? Because this will be holding the 22. This sum variable holding this 22. Okay, that's why I have written like this. So now this statement, if you have written this as a output statement, then this will be you are writing inside a program. Right, now this program will take this sum of this info and prints on the console. Okay, like this it will print here as it is. So then this will be more having some proper meaning, right? Instead of simply printing 22, you are printing with a proper meaningful message. As a meaningful message you are printing. And for that purpose, we are using output statement. So output statement is nothing but system.out.print. Okay. So this is output statement, can be used to send data and or text or info or messages like that. For example, if I want to send a welcome message, how can I send? System.out.print welcome to Java simply. Then this will be going into the program, and when it is executed, so on the console, you can see the message like welcome to Java. So like this output message you are able to get, right? So this output statement can be written as another statement. There are two statements we use in Java for outputting data. So system.out.print is the one like hello, and system.out.println hi. So this is how I'm writing, okay? So there is a difference between two statements. Here ln I'm writing, here I'm not writing ln. So what is the difference between this one and this one? Yeah, there is a difference. The first one will print hello on the console, and it will not terminate the current line. That means, suppose this is a console, okay? You can assume. So it is printing hello, okay? So for printing, I'm using here what I'm using, that cursor, right? Hello. It will print, okay. Next, what will happen? So next hi is the next statement, it is printing hi. So hi, where it will be printed? We are thinking that it will be printed here, right? In the new line, next line. No, that is not going to be printed here. Then where? It is going to print here only. Is it? Yes, just beside to that. Why? Why? Because when it printed hello, it has not terminated this line. That's why what you are printing next, that is going to come here. Okay. So I'll show you how that happens in a small program so that you will understand better. So how the system.out.print and println will work. Okay. So the print method will print it and just leaves that. But println method print it and terminate the line. It will terminate the current line. So let us see one small program to properly understand the difference between these two output statements in Java. All right. So I think, yeah, let us go and see that. So here I'm taking this is a command line, Windows in command line. From here I'm writing programs. We can also write the programs in IDE, but for a good for practice for the programming, it is always good to write the programs in the editor. So instead of IDE, because IDE have a lot of inbuilt facilities, so I don't want to use them here. So, but in the other sections, I will be using IDE. Okay, so for the time being, I'm using only Notepad editor, app1.java. I'm creating a program, Notepad app1.java. All right, now it is asking, it is not there. So you want to create a new file? Yes, create it. I gave file name here as app1 already. So now here, what I will do, I'll write a comment line here, okay? Program to print a welcome note. So that is a comment line, single line comment. Now here I'm writing a class app1. And here, that is a class. And inside I will be writing a method, public static void main string args. Okay, so like this I have written here. Okay. All right, so when I write here, so here I'm writing a statement. Okay, which statement I'm writing? System.out.print hello. I'm writing hello. Okay. Okay, so I'll just write again system.out.print hi. So if I compile it and run it, what is the output we'll get? Let us see. So initially I have to compile this code, javac app1.java. So it is compiling. So when it is compiled, it will produce the .less file. You can see here. So app1.less file produced here. All right. So now I have to run it. Java app1. That's it. You can see that how it is printing here. Hello, hi, hello, no space, hi, just beside it. Why? Why it happened here? Why? Because the print method will not end the line. Suppose if you print again some other statement here, like hello, hi, bye. Okay, bye. Now, whenever you made a change in the code, you have to recompile So compiled again, and I want to run it again. So now you can see hello, hi, bye, all are coming in the single line only. Why? Because it will not terminate the line. It will not terminate the line, current line. Okay. Now what I will do, you see, here I'm giving ln, system.out.println I'm giving here. Okay. All right. So now see what happens. I'm compiling again. I'll be running it again. Now see, this hello is coming in a new line, but hi bye coming in the second line. Why? What happened here? So this println method, right? This println statement, when it prints hello, after printing it, it ends the current line. It terminates. So current line is going to be terminated here. So that means after printing hello, it will terminate this line. Then whatever is printing next, right? That is going to come in the new line, next line. So it printed hi, but it is not terminating the line, right? So that's why bye is coming in the same line again. Okay. All right. Now I'll make one more change here. I'll write here ln again. Save it. Again, compile it. Compile and run it again. Now you can see, now here, hello. So when it prints this, it immediately, after printing it, what it does, it will terminate the line. It will terminate the line. So then the cursor goes to the new line. Next, what is there? Println again, hi. So it will print hi in the new line. After printing it again, it will terminate the line. Okay, next, what is there? So print by is there. So now it printed here, but it will not terminate the line here because it is print method. Print, it is not println. Because after printing it, it will not terminate the current line. Still it is available. That's why if you print again another statement here, it will come just beside by. Okay, let us see that. So I'm printing here system.out.print. Good. I'm printing it. Okay. Now I'm compiling again. Running again. Now you can see hello, hi, bye, good is coming here only. Okay. Yes. So likewise, so whenever you use a println and printer, there is a difference. Println print the text, print also print the text. But difference is println after printing the text, it will end that line. So whatever you print next, it comes in the new line. Print method doesn't do that. Print method prints the text in the line and it will not terminate that line. So that will be the major difference between the two statements here. Okay. So I'll try to summarize here between the two statements once again here. So here, what is the difference between two statements? System.out.print. This statement prints the message or text in the text and will not terminate the line. System.out.println. This statement prints the message or text. This statement prints the message or text and terminates the current line after printing text. So you are writing here system.out.println hello, So what it does on the console, what it does, it will print hello, and then it will terminate the line and place the cursor in the new line. Place the cursor in the new line. So this is what done by the println. Okay. So by this, we have understood, I hope you understood about the output statement in Java. And not only this way, there are so many other ways also there to display the output onto the console or onto the browser. There are different ways are there, which we can learn in the other sessions. Okay, in the next session, we'll see some more programs in Java programming language. Until then, thank you. Bye.